Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Local and regional small businesses are set to benefit from millions of dollars in funding and support through the REV Caribbean initiative. Now, the program was launched yesterday. Managing Director of REV Caribbean, Sandra Glasgow, says the program, which is being launched by business mentorship group First Angels Jamaica, will have two key components.
The incubator program, which is for startups, which will include investment readiness, a training program, mentorship, and access to the angels. They'll be able to pitch to the angels. And then on the other side, NCB SME clients who will have a similar program but not include the investment readiness or the mentorship, but everything else will be the same.
Right.
And I also want to say that we have we're going to be benefiting greatly from the support from McKinsey & Company, that global consulting company, that is going to be delivering a weekend retreat on how to become a successful CEO.
Now, the program will last for 5 months with applications closing on October 18. REV Caribbean is also being supported by the National Commercial Bank and the Development Bank of Jamaica. SSL Venture Capital Jamaica has sold 20% of its stake in Blue Dot Data Intelligence Limited to Yes IL Limited. The terms of the transaction were not disclosed. SSL in May 2020 started the process to sell its shares to the founder of Blue Dot. However, SSL notified the market in August this year that the founder's obligations were not completed. SSL Venture Capital exercised its rights and the agreement was repudiated. SSL VC is in discussions to sell its remaining shares. An immediate recall has been issued for some 18-inch Legend air circulator fans purchased from My Choice Jamaica in Freeport, Montego Bay, St. James. The National Compliance and Regulatory Authority, NCRA, says persons who have purchased the fans should stop using them immediately and return them to the point of purchase. It says the fans are deemed a safety hazard based on non-conformance with standard specification requirements. The US dollar is selling for an average $151.87. The Canadian currency is trading at $123.68. $207.94 is the going rate for the pound and $179.85 for the euro. The JC Index advanced by 572 points today, while the junior market index declined by nearly half a point. Advancing today were Main Event Entertainment Group, ISP Finance Services, Productive Business Solutions, US dollar shares, Stationery and Office Supplies, and the JMB Group 7.35% preference shares. On the losing side were Knutsford Express Services, Cayley Group, iCreate Ordinary Shares, Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashon Brown. Have a good evening.